Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be doing the bird guy. Can't really remember his name at all, but one of the stronger characters, two barrages, and personally kind of slept on, the most slept on character in the game. So the first move we have is like a combo closer. This is not a guard break. It's got crazy good range. To be honest, bro, we're going to be getting a lot of W's with this character. Same with Gone. You can check that video out. It's the one before this one. So the next skill we have, Shadow Strike. Easy. Very easy. Okay. This skill is extremely overpowered. Now we've got the barrages. This is going to be your bread and butter. You got your darkness. Crazy OP, crazy range. You're not missing that. Plus, it's a guard break. Same with the barrage. Shadow barrage, I mean. Guard break as well. Who thought that was okay? To have the rushes as guard break. Right. The combos in this character are so easy to learn. The combos are basically essentially this. M1, 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 M1. M1, 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 M1. M1, M1, M1. I messed with M1, but it does 100 to 0. Crazy, crazy, crazy. Then we go straight into the mode. Another crazy mode. First move we have, saddle. Boom, crazy. How you landing that? You literally dodged the attack. Then we've got Ragnarok. Boom. Another crazy move. Another crazy move. Then we've got Black Ops. Come on now, Black Ops named after the game. Look at that. Retarded. OP. Twilight Claws. Named after the series Twilight. Boom. I don't know any combos, but I know for sure one thing. M1, 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 M1. Okay, you actually have to aim that. Do you aim that? Yeah, you do aim that. Okay, watch. I'm pretty sure you can ladder into it. If I'm not mistaken. Let's try and ladder into it. There we go. So this character is extremely OP, and I'm going to be seeing you guys. Okay, we've got a random player. Interesting, interesting. Currently playing with the keyboard on my lap. Okay, we just need to land one ammo. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, boom. Boom. Easy 100 to 0. Look at that. One stock gone. Could not do nothing. Watch out for them spikes. Don't know about them spikes. They do them crazy damage. Okay, game. Boom. Never 100 to 0. He's not doing anything about it. He's got his 2 steps gone. We got hit by that now, son. Boom. Doesn't matter, guys. We're still winning. We may get combo, but we're still gonna win this. We're gonna hit by 100 to 0. It's fine though. Okay, you got hit by that, but he's got 2 stocks gone. We're about to get out of mode. We're about to box him up. Okay, guys, we can't just spam these moves. That's a rule. We're playing ABA. These characters are annoying as hell. We're getting combos. My dumb stuff. We popped the mode. Okay. 3 out of 5 armor. Crazy combos. Okay. We can still get the win. He's wasted one of his most strongest moves on me. You kind of sold the game. I cannot lie. Playing too greedy, too ambitious. Okay, end like on that. Crazy. No way to land. Oh, too early. You get him by those moves. Fine though. See? You want to spam those moves. Drain out that mode. There we go, GG. First match, we win. We destroyed him. Took no chance against me. Took no chance against the Or. Now, we ain't getting those rematch. We want a new game. We want a new guy. Easy wins. We move on to the next match. Free game. Okay, Hien. Pretty OP character. We got this in the bag. Trust me. We were that one-shot combo. You saw that in the video, guys. Boom. A bit no too late, but it's fine. He dead. Boom. 0 damage done to me. We got 1 stock off him. Boom, he barely reacted. He had. Oh shit, that could have been bad. He be behind my back. Oh, I wasted that move. Oh. Guys, he just got comboed up real bad. Nice, we hit him in the face. No way. I hate fighting broken characters. Bro, one thing I don't like about the character is end lag, bro. Who thought that was a good idea, bro? End lag on these characters. If you're gonna make the character OP, make him OP. Don't be shy. You know what I mean? Don't be shy. Make him OP. Don't make him have hella end lag. Because now it's just unfun to play. Unfun to... Why did that come back? Yeah, fool me once, shame on you. Weave? Yeah. What you gonna do, bro? Okay, I messed that up. Ooh, nice try, bro. Okay, hit behind my back. Good. Yep. Finish, bro. You're cooked. You're cooked, buddy. Can't do nothing against me, bro. Okay, lag. Crazy lag. Crazy lag. If I die here, my... Bro, annoying game. Come on now. There we go. We got the door! Game, another way. You ain't getting a rematch. Boy, I don't rematch. I just win. Another easy win. We like that. We built different. Come on. And now, more like an easy. Come on now. We all know the combo, boys. Boom. 1 stock. Oh, easy peasy. Lemon squeezy. Interesting more. And I gonna crazy. Boom. Another stock. Gone from him. Can't do anything. Yeah, he's mad. Only effing days. Yeah, can't do nothing. We built different. Longer you wait, the more my cooldowns come off. What the hell? What's that combo? Why did I get punished? Okay, top HP on the second stock. We got this in the bag. Come on, both the range. What the? I'm talking back! Average NL combo. Buddy. Give me that mode. You do nothing, boy. What did I hit? Where my move? Be true, bro. the guard break. Now we just gotta play cooldowns. Play them cooldowns, play them cooldowns, play them cooldowns. Okay, another match, another win. Whoa, we're winning all our matches, bro. It's a new turn. Look at them. Every single match wants a rematch. I know I'm mentally farming them. I know I'm living rent-free in their brain. They cannot do anything to beat me. I am the best ABA player in the United Kingdom. In the United Kingdom. 116 rank. We're getting there, boys. We're getting to that 200 rank dream. We're getting to that dream. Okay, we're fighting Aki. Infamous, annoying character. No! I messed up my combo. What is the cooldown on that move? Oh wait, I forgot. Non-existent. We got the first stock. We're in the lead. The awakening is far better than mine. Ready for that conk? Yep, missed that conk. Look at that move. We still get to the second stock. Deleted. Come on, conk. Come on. Konge. Come on, shoot that gun. You know you want to shoot that gun. Oh, bro, what is this? Debs thought this was a good idea. Full box. I took 2 stocks off you. Come then. Come in there. Conk. Yeah, that's what I thought, bro. It's a cooldown. Oh, wrong move. Get on my foot! Come on, Kong. Yeah, dash. Got that hitbox. What did you want, Debs? What's the hitbox? It's just a game, bro. Bro, we spamming easy on him. I just need 1 M1 combo. Conk. Easy miss. Weave. Easy. Yeah, bro. You ain't winning. Full buck. Wait, what's your stop? Oh wait, you got wiped. Cause you suck. Taking down steps. Where's one of your stocks out? Block. No way. No way, bro. What the hell is this? Esther holding block. Bro, Turtle Master. We are fighting the Turtle Master. Yep, use that move. Boom. One more stock. One more stock. One more stock. Boom. Reline those. Come on, knock me away. Doesn't do knockback. I mean, you're not there. Where'd that move go? Easy peasy. Last match. 4 stock. See you guys later. Hope you enjoyed the video. Almost just look at that. Every single match we had, they rematch. Once they rematch, because we destroyed everyone so hard. Have a beautiful day, and we're one step closer to 200 rank. And we're gonna see our Elo, and we're gonna head off into there because it's getting pretty late. It's almost 10 o'clock now. Our Elo is currently 133. So see you guys later, and have a beautiful day, or good night, or afternoon.